DJ Slay was a radio and mixtape DJ in New York City. He was also known as the Drama King. DJ Slay was instrumental in the careers of a great number of hip-hop musicians. He rose to the top of his field by refereeing some of the most talked-about MC battles of the early 2000s, most notably Jay-Z vs. Nas and 50 Cent vs. Ja Rule, on his Street Sweeper mixtape series and later on his Hot 97 radio show, The Drama Hour. These battles took place on his Street Sweeper mixtape series and later on his Hot 97 radio show. Today in this video, we are going to talk about hip-hop legend Slay. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. Early life. Slay, whose birth name was Kendrick Kareem Luis, came into the world on December 18, 1966 in Harlem, New York. Since he grew up in the Manhattanville projects, he was introduced to hip-hop music at an early age. This influenced his musical tastes. Slay sought refuge in music as a child and rapidly developed an interest in DJing, and later, MCing. He would spend his time developing his skills at local block parties and rap fights, which helped him earn a reputation for being a skilled rapper. Introduction to hip-hop. As Slay's passion for hip-hop grew, he started performing as a DJ at various clubs and parties. He was famous for his smooth transitions and his ability to keep the audience amused. He ultimately garnered the attention of some of hip-hop's most prominent figures, who subsequently invited him to serve as a tour DJ for them. Slay cultivated a sizable network of contacts inside the hip-hop scene due to these experiences. He also established himself as a major player within the industry. Rise to fame. In the early 2000s, Slay established himself as a prominent DJ and radio host. He became known for his show, The Drama Hour, which he hosted on the Hot 97 radio station in New York. The show became famous for its interviews with some of the most well-known figures in the hip-hop industry almost immediately after it debuted. Slay's reputation skyrocketed after the release of his debut mixtape, titled The Street Sweeper Volume 1, which received positive reviews from music critics. Slay's abilities as a DJ were on full display in the mixtape, contributing to his rise to prominence in hip-hop as a formidable opponent. Legacy. Slay is widely recognized as one of the most important individuals in hip-hop history, and his contributions to the music genre will continue to be felt for years. He is responsible for the publication of several critically acclaimed mixtapes and albums, in addition to hosting a number of radio shows. The amount of effort and attention he has put into hip-hop is well known, and his status as a legendary figure in the genre is only growing. Mentorship and support for up-and-coming artists. Throughout his career, Slay has been committed to assisting burgeoning musicians and has played a pivotal role in establishing the careers of a great number of successful hip-hop artists. He has collaborated with and guided a diverse spectrum of musicians, including, amongst many others, DMX, Fat Joe, The Game, and Kendrick Lamar, amongst others. He has a reputation for unearthing some of hip-hop's most prominent figures, which has earned him accolades for his ability to recognize undeveloped talent and the title of Talent Spotter. Slay has always supported hip-hop and utilized his platform to offer emerging artists a voice. He has also used his position to give back to the community. He has served as a host for many albums and mixtapes, many of which highlight the skills of upcoming MCs and DJs. Impact on the hip-hop community. The importance of Slay to the overall hip-hop culture cannot be emphasized. He has been essential in introducing new musicians to the globe and has helped to launch the careers of some of hip-hop's biggest stars. He has also been instrumental in presenting new artists to the world. He has been a staunch supporter of the subgenre and has effectively used his platform to speak up for those who were previously unable to do so. He is credited with contributing to developing the sound of hip-hop, and he has helped keep the genre contemporary and innovative throughout his career. The commitment that Slay has shown to the hip-hop genre has served to motivate a large number of up-and-coming musicians and has contributed to the continued success of the musical subgenre. He has shown aspiring MCs and DJs that success in the hip-hop scene is attainable by anyone willing to put in the effort and is determined to do it. He has been a model for others to follow. Future generations will feel his influence on the music, and he will be recognized as one of hip-hop's most influential backers and champions for a long time. Kay Slay continues to be involved in the hip-hop world, hosting his radio program and creating new music like he always has. In hip-hop, he is recognized as a great icon, earning him the respect and admiration of both fans and fellow artists. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, click the like and the bell buttons. We'll have another video for you soon. Take care until then.